my girlies, you don't have to break the bank to look elegant. Today I'm bringing you 6 amazing, beautiful, elegant outfits and handmade signature for my own collection.
Evolution, wearing our bright clothes, what causes a commotion? From the labels to the street, we're making a statement.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Essy for all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So today I'm just done with my makeup. This is my outfit of the day, guys. It's looking amazing. I don't know how I can stand that way you can see me, guys. Let me just put this thing down a little bit that way you can see. So this is my outfit. So this is an amazing outfit. I sewed it myself, and you know, I thought, okay, instead of just being like plain green or some, I just thought I will just put some flowers on, like on the side, goes like this, and then the details here as well on the jacket. It's also some flower to make it a little bit spicy, you know, something like that. So yeah, this is my outfit of today. I just wanted to get some photos, guys, and maybe some video, some reels, so that yeah, I can put some content for you guys. And that is the outfit. So I'll just be going downstairs. I'm not going to put any more of jewelries because it will be too much from the scarf, and then no room for jewelries here and there, maybe some ring, and that's it. And then I'm going to put on some shoes that matches with the outfit, and then we take some photos and we are good to go. So if you want to see more, you just go to my Instagram. Make sure you go to my Instagram. You will see those amazing photos, guys. Let's get moving. This black dress, which can be worn during summer, anytime, anywhere, and it looks amazing. Black dress, I'm going to wear it casually, wearing it with these boots, guys. So this way we can wear like that, and we're going to add our hat. I love this look, for real. I really love it. So I'm just thinking which bag I should use. We're going to get this bag, guys, and some glasses, guys, and then this is how we're going to be moving around. Not really much adding. We are putting on these slides, and I'm going to combine it with this bag. So we are ready to go for dinner. It's summertime, so we still have our sunglasses. You know, I could be wearing some earrings, but the hair is just covering, so I don't see if there's no need for these earrings. but I'm going to add some glasses. I'm going to wear this, that way they are not that dark because it's evening. Yeah, and that's how we're going to do. And this is our look, guys, and we're going to take some photos, and then we are done with our look. It's amazing, it's looking good. If you can see the full dress, I'm putting the pictures on the side, that way you can see. And yeah, let's go. Essy, and here I am. This outfit is so amazing, so I combine it with this amazing scarf, bag with silver. I have some white slides, and this is how we are looking, and we are feeling ourselves. You know, we don't need to be rich to look good and feel good to yourself. Just with simple things, tricks, and here and there, few things you have in your house, you can just make an outfit and feel amazing. So, adios. This body with a long skirt, and I'm going to put on a blazer on top, that way it doesn't be so too much. And for accessory, I have this hat, I have my handbag, and I have some earrings which I'm going to combine. Oh, what's okay, next, red earrings, and we're going to combine it with these heels. They're not really red, but I'm going to wear this. So let's get started working on this outfit. Hey everybody, welcome, and I'm happy. So the middle we have handbag, amazing handbag. We have to cover this, and I have this blazer. I have the accessory, guys. This is my accessory. Yeah. So our styling different outfits. So I saw this skirt. This is transparent skirt. I know you've seen it everywhere, and everybody is wearing, most of the people are wearing them, and they are now on style. People, they have like black or white, but for me, I just had this I had this fabric, and I thought I will sew this one. It's gold and black. I'm going to combine it with my amazing hat, which is with gold as well, and black and silver. So I'm going to be wearing a blazer on it. So I'm just thinking if I should put on this or the hat. I will see which one will look the best. So let us start wearing all these put on this cloth, and then we see from Zara. So I'm going to try combine them. I hope they will be looking good. So let's start dressing up. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are continuing with our styling. I have a nice look today, and I'm really loving it. I'm loving it. Let's do this. So I have this hat. Sunglasses. I have oversized blazer handbag, and I have this soft skirt. It's not as well. So let's do it. Start the shaping the fingers.
Revolution.